Right, the next thing I want to look at is some very basic audio editing. I'm not going to go over audio editing in a lot of detail at the moment, as there is a lot you can do. For now, I just want to show you the basics. Right, just to show you some extreme examples of audio editing, I'm going to record in a different bit of audio. So I'm just going to record in some clicks and claps. I'm going to stop all my clips and just record this into a new clip in my audio track. I want to use my microphone for this recording, so I'm going to change my input to the input that my microphone is plugged into on my interface, which is input 1. One thing I didn't mention in the previous video, if you can see input 1/2, that's a stereo input, so you can use both inputs 1 and 2 at the same time. Don't worry about this for the moment, as if you've only got one microphone, you'll be recording in mono. Recording in mono requires you to use one input, for example, input 1. If you record in stereo with one microphone, you'll only hear the audio signal coming out of one side, so you'll hear it either in the left or the right, depending on which input your microphone is plugged into. Right, so I'm just going to turn my metronome on, change this to input 1 and then start recording. As you can see there, it was clipping quite a lot, so I'm just going to try once again. So I'll just press undo to get rid of that recording. Okay, so I just recorded in some claps there. Let's listen to those back. Right, you'll notice they're not quite in time with the click. Now, sometimes when you're recording into a clip, you might want to try out a few different ideas. And that's what I did here. I was just changing the rhythm of the clap. I've decided I don't want anything up to this point here, so I can change the length of my clip. So it's starting at bar 6 now, and it's only 3 bars in length. Let's zoom in a little bit. Right, so this is the part that I want to work on. Let's hear that back. Okay, it's very out of time with the click. Now, something I want to show you quickly. See, at the moment, our clip is starting at bar 6. What you can do is actually change where beat 1 of bar 1 is within your clip. So just zoom in to around where you want beat 1. So I'm going to right-click and go up to set 1.1.1 here. Now we can see this is beat 1 of bar 1. Anything before are minus numbers. It's going to drag this so my clip starts at the same point. So now I can have a 2-bar clip starting at bar 1. In this situation, it wasn't vital, but it can become quite confusing if you're starting a clip at a strange point. Now, something else you can do is delete any audio before your clip starts. All you have to do is right-click in the sample editor and select Crop Sample. Now it's cut out the other audio and just left us with this shorter clip. Let's drag this down so it's 2 bars in length as well. So now it's ending at the start of bar 3. Right, so that's how you can start tidying up your recording. Let's listen back to it now. Okay, it's still out of time, but I'm going to look at quantizing audio in the next video. Thanks for watching.